Let's see how to apply a lens flare effect in Canva. So for this example, let's create a design. Let's go to print products and poster. So I want to add a flare effect on a photo of uh, cars. Let's say cars. So let's choose photos of cars. I want to choose this photo. I'll just adjust the size accordingly. Next, all we need to do is search here on the Elements tab, Lens Flare. Once we choose our desired lens flare effect, I want to choose this one. I just want to adjust its size so it'll fit the picture of the car. And next, all we need to do is click on the lens flare photo and go on here on the top toolbar, click on this icon. Clicking on this, we can see the transparency slider. Let's decrease this slider to our desired transparency. And I'm okay with that now. I am satisfied with the design. And that's it. That's how you apply a lens flare effect in Canva. See you soon.